Hello, and welcome to the Way and Wellness Studio. I'm Ange-Elise, and this is my dog Bear, and we are on top of the Kelso Dunes in Mojave Desert, California. Today, we are going to share a 5-minute meditation where you can soften yourself back into your body, into yourself, reconnect with your breath. This world's crazy, trust me. I have been feeling that a lot lately. So I invite you to take time and space to join me wherever you are, whatever time of day it is for you, in this 5-minute practice. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and find our comfortable seat, softening our gaze, closing our eyes, or if you're in a beautiful space like me, maybe keeping your eyes open today. This is the first opportunity where I invite you to check in with yourself. Check in with what your body is craving today and honor that. Eyes open, eyes closed. Find your way to what you need. And we'll connect with our breath. Noticing how your breath feels today as you inhale and exhale at your own rhythm. Notice if your breathing is shallow or deep, long or short. Feeling the rise and fall of your belly or chest as you breathe. And you might notice your mind may wander. It's okay. It's human, and that is the practice. Each time our mind wanders, I invite you to acknowledge whatever has come up for you. Give it a moment of space. And then make the choice to return back to your breath, back to the present moment. Feeling again the sensation of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. If you notice that your mind is very active, you can use the mantra, I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. And you can shorten this to in and out. Just connecting with your breath. Each and every time our mind wanders, it makes our practice stronger. It makes our focus and concentration on our breath even more traveled, that path back to breath. So I invite you to savor your last 2 breaths. And as the wind picks up for me here, bringing yourself back to the physical world, noticing the sounds and the sensations of the outer world, expanding our awareness, feeling the wind or the air on your skin, maybe the sun and the warmth, or the shade and the cool. We can inhale our hands to our heart center. We'll close our class with 1 Om and 3 Shanti. Inhaling to prepare for our mantra. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. listeners and sees the light within you. I thank the rishis and the sages for sharing this practice and this wisdom with us so we can share it together. I'm so grateful you found your way here today. I'm so grateful you took the time to be with yourself and your breath. Namaste. Let me know how this practice was for you. I would love to know down in the comments below. If you did in fact like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me from the bottom of my heart and from Bear's Nap as well. I hope that this video brought you some calm and peace wherever you are today. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one.